Hello guys, and today in this video we're going to be taking a look at this, which is the 7th and 8th Doctor's sonic screwdriver made by RB Replicas as used in the TV movie and of course The Night of the Doctor. So please forgive me as I'm recording on my phone, so I'm one-handed at the moment, but here's a quick overview of the sonic. So we've got the head of the sonic there. As we go down the collar section, there, the grooves, the brass ring, and then all the way down to the bottom there. This, of course, was a sonic that was, sorry about that, this is a sonic that was greatly changed from its original look, as this was obviously the first sonic since its cancellation. So it was the same but not the same. So the differences are, of course, the halo, the silver halo here is well, it's red. It was burgundy on the other models, and then we've got the bullet here. Mine's a bit wonky at the moment, I need to fix it, but here's the red bullet, which of course was a silver bullet with a black magnet at the back on the originals. This bit here was black on the originals as well, because you used to pull this down to activate the sounds, but that's not the case for this particular sonic. Then as we go down, we've got the 3 grooves, which used to have black in it, so that's changed as well. Then we have, of course, the brass rod, which of course there was supposed to be a ball bearing button above the brass, and that would activate the lights and sounds, not lights, sorry, sounds. But this particular sonic doesn't have any, but because the bottom here is nice and flush, that allows it to sit lovely on the ground. So yeah, there's not really much to say about this sonic because it doesn't it doesn't produce any sound or anything, but yeah, as you can see there, give you a nice 360 there of the whole sonic for you to have a look at. There you go. Just put this there a second so I can close it. It's really tricky to close. Hold on. There we go. So that's it in closed mode there. Looks a lot smaller, and I actually prefer it in closed mode, to be honest. Also here what we have, it's a 3D printed TARDIS key. I think it was used by the 3rd Doctor, so it's not accurate to this sonic. And it's not accurate anyway because it's a 3D print. But I just thought, you know, it would look good next to this sonic. So the Seal of Rassilon logo there. And then some sort of coordinates there. I always thought they were coordinates to Gallifrey, but, you know, I could be wrong. But yeah, so that's a key. And the 8th Doctor's sonic screwdriver. Let me know in the comments down below, what is your favourite classic sonic? Mine will have to be either the 8th, the War Doctors, closely followed by 2nd, the 3rd Doctors. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below which one's your favourite. Please like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you enjoyed this video. We've got more to come soon, very, very soon, which I'm excited for. But as I did in the last video, I'll give you a nice little spin. So, not as good as the last one, but as that stops, that brings this video to a close. So I will see you in the next one. Bye.